Google Developer Student Club is a very good opportunity for students to explore technologies and develop communities on their own. And it is quite satisfying to see our young Amitians want to work towards building such a club and taking initiative to bring students together to gain practical knowledge regarding computers and get awareness for the upcoming technologies. As a mentor, it's our responsibility to guide the student towards their upcoming emerging ideas, innovative ideas, and also helping them to walk on the path of the discovery. Not just by showing them the answers, but motivating them, encouraging them to find out the answers by themselves. It is easier said than done, but it is a nice challenge for all of us to make sure that the efforts which our students are putting toward this club should be successful. And in the end, the smiling faces and the successful events are the rewards for all of us. We wholeheartedly support this endeavor and happy to see tech enthusiasts growing, connecting with each other, and building a community for positive change.
Google Developer Student Clubs are communities of college and university students who wish to explore the world of technology and bring others to this journey of discovery. We at Google Developer Student Clubs of Amity University Mumbai have determined to bring together the masses and expose them to create a tech-savvy new generation of people. We are planning to expand our horizons by growing the club, conducting events on larger scales, having noteworthy discussions on different fields of technology, and working as a single unit towards technological advancement. I am thankful to the faculty and management at Amity University Mumbai for giving me a chance and supporting me to become the Google Developer Student Lead and helping me throughout the interview process. As a lead, I wish to build a team of tech-savvy individuals who wish to carry forward the same spirit of Google Developer Student Clubs of Amity University Mumbai and developing the club and making students at Amity University Mumbai stand out of the crowd.
We here in GDSC believe that knowledge is power and that technology can do extraordinary things for the world. Our motto stands on three pillars, and that's connect, learn and grow. We empower students to gain knowledge about latest technologies by conducting various hackathon, technical programs and hands-on sessions to help them grow in their desired domain. My responsibility is to guide students and collaborate with them to build cool, innovative applications which will not only solve real-life problems but also bring about a change in the society.
As someone who always looks out for new learning opportunities, becoming a part of the JDSE community has helped me broaden my knowledge spectrum. I came across new technologies, new ideas, which helped me change my perspective about my field. Here in JDSC Amity University Mumbai, our main aim is to help empower the students with latest tech knowledge so that they stand out in the crowd. We not only focus on ourselves, but on the community as well, so that we can all come together with even better and greater innovative ideas to bring about a change.
We at GDSC AUM are constantly looking for exposures, new experiences, and I thought that I should get out of my comfort zone and meet new people and discover a new skill set for myself. So I went ahead and readily applied for a post. Now we are together working towards getting more and more students and colleagues get accustomed to technologies and programming in general, fulfilling the objective of GDSCs. I am honored to be part of this community, and with this wonderful team and our proactive leader, I believe that all our goals will come true.
It's been a while since I have been a member of Google Developer Student Club, and seeing so many exciting people coming together, learning and sharing what they have learned with other community members is simply amazing. I consider myself fortunate to have been given the opportunity to be a member of this club. Along with networking and opportunities, it feels like a family when you connect with like-minded people. And remember, it's not just about learning, but also about sharing.
The Google Developer Student Club at Amity University Mumbai is here to build real solutions for real problems. It is an incredible experience to learn, meet people, expand ideas, communicate, get acknowledged, and learn from experts. My responsibility at GDSC is to learn and empower students to solve real world problems. We are here with a goal of education for an inspired life.
For GDSC or Google Developer Students Club, I envision to create an ecosystem of sorts where people from the entire spectrum of knowledge, age, skills and talents can come together, collaborate, and thus the collaboration will end up in them learning a lot of important personal, individual and team playing skills such as leadership and commitment. This will help you greatly professionally and individually. I look forward to seeing you in our events and discussions. Thank you.
Being a part of the Google Student Developer Club at Amity University, Mumbai has brought me a lot of joy. This student club is not just bound to learning and creating new things using computers, it has a lot more to it. Since the first day of joining, I've made new connections, participated in events, had discussions, and finally, the most important thing, enjoyed every single moment of it. I love contributing to this club, and I'd like to thank everyone for believing in me and letting me be a part of such an amazing community.